Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Tailscale, Zerotier, and Twingate. In order to do so, here we are at tailscale.com. We're also at zerotier.com and twingate.com. And in order to do a comparison, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your Chrome browser that allows you to ask questions of AI at any time and get the answers that you're looking for. According to Cider, when comparing Tailscale, Zerotier, and Twingate, consider their key features, use cases, and differences. Here's a brief breakdown. Tailscale is a mesh VPN solution built on WireGuard. It simplifies secure private networking by allowing devices to connect directly without requiring complex configuration. It has easy setup with minimal configuration, and it uses WireGuard for fast and secure connections. It uses NAT traversal, making it easy to connect devices behind firewalls, and it has multi-device support, including Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android, and does authentication through identity providers like Google or Microsoft. It's ideal for teams or organizations needing secure access to private resources without managing infrastructure. It's great for remote workforces. Zerotier, on the other hand, is a virtual networking solution that creates a secure, global, and decentralized network. It can operate like a LAN over the internet. It features peer-to-peer networking with decentralized architecture. It has cross-platform support. It can connect devices across networks seamlessly. It has flexible network configuration and management through a web dashboard, and it offers network isolation and segmentation. It's suitable for IoT gaming or any scenario where devices need to communicate securely across different networks, and it's great for custom solutions in tech-savvy environments. Twingate finally offers a modern alternative to traditional VPNs, focusing on secure access to internal applications without exposing the entire network. It features zero trust architecture. It only verifies authenticated users for specific resources and has no need for dedicated VPN servers or gateways. It's integrated with existing identity providers for authentication and simplifies access control and policy management. Particular focus on securing applications, not entire network, and it's ideal for organizations looking for secure access to specific services without a full network access blanket, often used in enterprise environments. In summary, choose Tailscale if you want a simple setup for remote work, leveraging WireGuard's speed and security, and Zerotier is great for decentralized networks and peer-to-peer connections, useful in various advanced scenarios. Twingate focuses on secure access management with zero trust principles suited for access control to specific applications. In conclusion, choosing between these solutions depends on your specified needs. If you require ease of use and speed for remote teams, Tailscale is a solid choice. For more complex networking needs with various devices, consider Zerotier. For enterprise-level security focused on application access, Twingate may be the best option. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations and socials. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.